In the next section, 1.3.9, we will talk about two things. We will talk about barometry as well as manometry. Okay? We will divide this section into two halves. One is the barometer, the another one manometer. Okay? As atmospheric pressure in a certain location is measured by a barometer, okay, we may sometimes use barometric pressure, okay, to refer to atmospheric pressure. Okay? A basic barometer is shown on the right, okay, in this figure. Okay? It is first made by Torricelli. Okay? Torricelli, that is a famous engineer studying fluid mechanics, by putting an inverted mercury-filled tube into a mercury container that is exposed to the atmosphere. While the pressure at point B is equal to that of the atmospheric pressure because the elevation of B and that of the free surface are the same, okay, because they are at the same pressure here. The pressure at point C is negligible compared to the atmospheric pressure because there is only mercury vapor in the space above point C, so we can assume that to be a vacuum. Okay? By writing out the force balance of mercury column in the vertical direction, we will see that P ATM times A will be equal to rho GH times A. Okay? Because rho GH times A is a weight, while the P ATM times A will be the pressure force. Okay? And upon simplifying, you will find that P ATM equal to rho GH. While rho is the density of mercury, G is the acceleration due to gravity, and H will be the height of the mercury column. Okay? Although in the equation derived, it is seen that the height of a fluid column is independent of the length and as well as the cross-sectional area of the tube. But the tube diameter should be large enough to prevent capillary action due to surface tension. Okay? Well, for capillary action, it's a natural phenomena caused by surface tension of a certain fluid. Okay? It can be mainly seen in capillary. But if the tube diameter is large enough, then the capillary action is insignificant, so we can neglect that. Okay? Besides using Pascal, we may also use the length of the mercury column in a barometer to express the barometric pressure. For example, the standard atmospheric pressure, that is 101325 Pascal, is equal to 760 mmHg at 0 degrees C. Here, Hg stands for mercury. Okay, while the 760 mm will be the height of the fluid column. Okay? Atmospheric pressure not only depends on elevation, but also weather conditions. It is because factors like temperature and humidity affects the weight of air about the location. Okay? Hence affects the atmospheric pressure. In the next video, we will talk about an example of using a barometer for measuring the pressure.